How to hide photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, select Hide. Tap on Hide Photo to confirm. This photo will now be hidden, but can be found in the hidden album. You can repeat this to hide other photos or videos as well. Following these steps, you can easily hide photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.